say vlog because today, so we have this photo. It says Boba White Bug and this latte. But it says the mystery surprise.
Yung kinakain niya.
Whoops. Looks like food. Get you all back in. Get you all back in. America. Food. It says you got this year you got the latte. Guys, the golden ticket means the latte. What's this? Oh, it's like a little girl. Is it sister? Miss Yahweh, I think. Oh my god, it's Yahweh's mom. Look, it's Yahweh's mom. Look at this. So bad. Let's see. Here's Keepers, Yahweh. The Boba with her plushy Boba. Don't mind the crying. That's my little sister. And IDK, what happened to her? Yeah, just imagine there's no noise, okay? I'm trying to make my voice loud. Oh my god. Anong pinapunas mo? Okay, ayos ba? To my pieces. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Goodbye to town. If he doesn't come, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. This one. But I think the seller gave this something. Oh, it's not even boba. It's like chicken. I think chicken with soda. This one must be. And then this present. You have more? Oh, we have one more.
Buti anak, di mo nakita yung spider. Siya.
Ah?
Di mo nakita yung spider.
Ah? Ano?
Post mo na.